A campfire and a couple of pots is all you need to cook a decent meal outdoors. But if you really want to impress your fellow travelers and indulge the party with some quality food, we welcome you to explore these new ingenious solutions for meal preparation outside. Latest Kickstarter projects and new inventions from the established manufacturers, we have got all sorts of gadgets to show you. So subscribe to Must See Tech, ring the notification bell, and let's explore the wonderful world of open-air cooking. HitchFire Forge 15. Designed by the same people who gave the world the Tepui rooftop tents, the HitchFire Forge 15 is a perfect product for those who have two great hobbies: outdoor adventures and grilling. Purpose-built for mounting on the hedge of your vehicle, the HitchFire can travel with you as far as you can go. The grill has two burners, each rated for 7500 BTU, can feed 8 to 10 people, and runs on propane. The standard tank is 16 ounces, but you can get a larger one with one of the bundle packages. The pivoting swing arm ensures easy access to your car's boot and allows you to cook away from it without getting grease all over the place. Additionally, the grill can be detached from the hedge and used on the tabletop. Trayvax Ration. This any-trip solution for quick hot food cooking from Trayvax allows you to feel secure wherever you go. The Ration's two-piece body consists of a large storage compartment made of powder-coated aluminum and a stainless steel stovetop. The storage bay features a sturdy leather internal organizer so you can take not only food and water, but also some essential utensils and multi-tools. For the asking price, the kit comes equipped with a 20-ounce stainless steel cup with a top and a 3.5-ounce fuel canister, enough for nearly 20 uses. The carry handle is adjustable, while the bottom has been treated with a non-slip base to prevent the hot food from running away. SunSizzle. The largest and the most powerful Gosan oven was designed with the help of the company's lead investor and rocket scientist, Glenn McGillivray. The sizzle borrows the proven tube design from the fusion oven, but utilizes custom reflector materials. The cooking tray has 4.5 liters capacity, so it can feed 4 to 5 people at once, while the huge parabolic acrylic mirror tilts to achieve optimal sun exposure and maximize efficiency. The cooking time is just 30 minutes. You can store the hot meal inside for hours, and the oven reaches maximum temperatures of 550 Fahrenheit. It also weighs just 22 pounds. Finally, if you need to cook in the evening or at night, the sizzle can be plugged into a 12-volt power source. Gen Stove by Viva Plus. Designed and manufactured in Korea, the Gen Stove is a portable camping stove that can charge your smartphone, Bluetooth speaker, or other devices by harvesting the residual heat from the fire. The system consists of a stove itself, a thermal generator, and a water basket, and it is hooked up to a propane or a butane tank. You can fry, saute, or boil, while at the same time the Gen Stove will recharge the attached lithium-ion battery. The latter has a 3200 mAh capacity, and it can simultaneously power one of your devices or store energy for later. Once you no longer plan to cook, the pack can be recharged at home using a USB-C port or at camp via a solar panel. Let us know what other topics you would like us to cover in the future videos, and smash the like button to express your support for the channel. Thanks a bunch, and let's keep rolling! Joco. Inspired by the traditional way of drinking matcha tea, the creators of Joco decided to implement the centuries-old technique into coffee consumption. After failing to use the standard Bombilla straw for cup-brewed coffee, they designed a special one with a very fine micron mesh filter for getting rid of all the coffee grounds. The Joco has ergonomic design, takes minimal space, and comes made from food-grade stainless steel. It can be washed by hand or in the dishwasher, plus the filter part is detachable for more thorough cleaning. In addition to being so easy to use, the Joco reduces staining your teeth from coffee, offers 4 distinct colors for any taste, and is suitable for drinking teas or juices. Gosan Chillist. This is the ultimate version of the Gosan's Chill Solar Cooler that uses customer feedback to improve its features. The Chillist has 45 liters of space, is split into cooler and freezer zones, and can maintain temperatures between -4 to 68 Fahrenheit. Of course, it does not require any ice. It cools off in 30 minutes and even produces ice itself. The built-in 87 watt-hour battery will keep things chill for 10 hours, plus there is an additional external pack for extra 30 hours. To recharge, the model can use solar power, your car, or a wall outlet. You can see the current temperature and switch between modes using a small digital screen. There are multiple hooks and a docking station for a cutting board. Lastly, the Chillist is easy to transport thanks to its sturdy wheels and a telescopic handle. Solo Stove Fire Pit Cooking System. The world's most portable smokeless bonfires are manufactured by Solo Stove, and their true potential can be harnessed with the in-house developed cooking systems. A finely polished round pit made of 304 stainless steel may look too simple from the outside, but it is the inside engineering that makes the difference. A double-wall design not only facilitates the burning process, but also does not throw out as much heat horizontally as regular fire pits. In addition, the company's 360-degree bottom vent holes improve oxygen feeding, ensuring that no half-burned chunks are left inside and as little smoke is produced as possible. These fire pits are sold in 3 sizes: Ranger, Bonfire, and Yukon. Among the accessories we should highlight cast iron grill, roasting sticks, fire pit stand, shield, and extra tools. Alpha Bonfire. Thinner and smaller than most of modern smartphones, the Alpha Bonfire is an ultra-portable fire pit kit designed for solo bicycle camping, hiking, fishing, or just a short weekend trip. When collapsed, the kit consists of 5 1mm thick stainless steel card-like plates. They easily assemble into a V-shaped fire pit with a grill top plate, which is a knife, a fork, and 2 chopsticks hidden inside. The grill top is height adjustable in 3 positions, and the bottom tray works great to protect sensitive surfaces. Alpha Bonfire is fully made of corrosion-resistant and rust-proof stainless steel. By the way, we must mention that the Japanese startup has not attracted any contributions from backers on Indiegogo. But if you're interested, consider contacting the creator directly. Share your personal stories about cooking in the wild in the comment section, and do not forget to mention some worthy products that you use for meal preparation outdoors. If you want to buy any of these gadgets, consider visiting the description section for the links. Like this video, subscribe to Must See Tech, and proceed to exploring other outdoor content by clicking on the icons in front of you. We'll see ya!